Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we take you on a journey through the most extraordinary homes across the United States. Architectural masterpieces that redefine luxury, comfort, and design. Today, we bring you to the majestic mountains of Utah, to a rare estate that stands as a true modern marvel. The breathtaking property located at 7600 East Deer Knoll Drive, Heber City. Priced at an astonishing $22,500,000, this home is not just a residence, it's a statement of power, vision, and elegance. Perfectly placed on the edge of pristine national forest land, this modern mountain estate gives you the freedom to live off the grid, while surrounded by the pinnacle of luxury living. It took more than 4 years to bring this vision to life, and every inch of this 12,377 square foot home speaks of impeccable craftsmanship and design. With 6 bedrooms, 7 baths, and nearly 50 acres of private land, this estate offers not only seclusion but endless possibilities. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by panoramic views of Utah's alpine wilderness. The exterior blends the natural beauty of wood and stone with a sophisticated cream and golden finish, giving it a timeless yet modern charm. Step through the grand entrance and you're met with soaring ceilings, warm ambient lighting, and rich wooden textures that merge effortlessly with sleek, contemporary design. Every space inside this home tells a story of comfort, technology, and perfection. The living room feels like a cinematic experience. With floor-to-ceiling glass walls that open to sweeping mountain views, it's the heart of the home where nature meets luxury. A massive fireplace anchors the space, while handcrafted furniture and neutral tones create an atmosphere of peace and grandeur. Just beyond the living area, the gourmet kitchen is a dream come true for culinary lovers, featuring cream-toned cabinetry, golden fixtures, state-of-the-art appliances, and marble counters that glisten in the soft glow of the chandelier. The master suite redefines comfort with its private balcony, heated floors, and a bathroom that feels like a 5-star spa. Every detail, from the golden faucets to the panoramic glass shower, is designed for serenity. Downstairs, the entertainment level offers a world of its own. A stunning home theater, a custom-built bar, a luxury hot tub room with an automatic dehumidification system, and even a bunk room with 7 beds for family and guests. Step outside, and the magic continues. Over 4,000 square feet of deck space connects every corner of this mansion to nature. From sunrise coffee on the terrace to starlit evenings by the fire pit, every moment here feels cinematic. A 160-foot underground tunnel, reminiscent of an old mine shaft, connects the main home to a detached garage, complete with a loft, extra deck space, and panoramic sunset views. This design isn't just luxurious, it's ingenious. But what truly sets this property apart is its off-grid capability. With a 41-kilowatt solar array, a commercial backup generator, nearly 300 kilowatt-hours of battery storage, and 6 massive propane tanks, you can live here completely self-sufficiently. The estate also features an advanced commercial water filtration system that delivers some of the purest mountain water you'll ever taste, stored in over 1,000 gallons of reserve. Whether you're looking for a private retreat, a family compound, or an investment with future potential, this property offers 4 additional building lots with separate tax IDs, giving you flexibility to expand or sell. Surrounded by world-class snowmobiling, hiking, and horseback trails, it's a paradise for those who crave adventure and tranquility all in one. Every part of this home, from its custom log structure built with timber from the very canyon it sits in, to the modern addition by Magleby Construction, celebrates a perfect fusion of nature, craftsmanship, and technology. Heated floors, smart home automation by Savon, and impeccable interior detailing make this mansion not just a place to live, but a masterpiece to experience. This is more than a mountain home. It's a fortress of innovation, a gallery of design, and a sanctuary for those who demand the finest. For more inspiring properties like this, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where we bring the most breathtaking homes in America right to your screen.